everybody, I'm Stu Carter from Atamaii TV. I'm at the Tokyo Toy Fair this week at the Bandai booth. Bandai does Star Wars, and what they do different, you can't get in the US, they do Star Wars model kits. These are all snapped together. They've been doing it for a while. This year we're looking at a model kit for the Millennium Falcon. They got one for R2-D2, very detailed. They've got 3 other droid model kits available. These are coming this year. Some of these may be out now, some coming towards the fall. And then they've got model kits coming for Chewbacca, Han Solo, the old Han Solo, C-3PO, R2-D2 again, a Stormtrooper, and from A New Hope, I forget his name, help me out. So I hope you enjoy. Did you like this? I hope so. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more toy reports. Until next time, have a great day.
No one I know is out to kill me. I guess I'm doing okay. I'm lost among the millions. Just an empty head filled with the sky.